about resin. Seems like every other bugger was trying it 2 years ago. But I thought I'd give it a go. I've had this sitting on the shelf for a year, I think. So, got the instructions out, mix them up, put it in a little pot. Got that. Now, I'm fairly sure I decided I wanted clear resin, but obviously I got urine cake resin. It boiled up quite badly. I mean, when I was in the room and distracted by something else, actually split the little pot I put it in, but that was all sacrificial. And I've ended up with this weird texture on top. Anyway, it's all dried. I can still see what it's like to turn, even if I'm not particularly fond of the colour. I'll have to go back on the internet and see if I can find something in clear. Okay, let's see how it goes. Okay, due to technical errors, somehow I managed to corrupt it, or my camera corrupted the recording. So I didn't take some lovely shots of it being turned, which I'm now going to have to do again so you can see them. So apologies for the continuity here of what this looks like. So here we go. The centre of this casting is incredibly poor, it's just full of bubbles. It's sort of boiled up, obviously, just before curing. So that's something else I need to look at. But as you can see, it does cut quite well. Slight change of tools. And there you go, that's how, yes, wonderful, that's how fragile that is. I don't think I'll be using this for the project I had in mind, never mind. So you can sort of see the difference between this very centre core and how nicely the outside stuff is cutting, where it didn't bubble up. So there's hope there. I think I just need to maybe find a different formula. I definitely want glass clear, not this stuff. Maybe we'll give it another go. But I'd say, yeah, first experiments. You'd have to short this down as a disaster, but not a major one. This is why you do test pieces. Oh well. Well, stuff really does get everywhere, doesn't it? But yeah, I like the way it cuts. Bloody tidy up now.